Finding your power voice. I bet you've worked really hard at doing this. Unfortunately, working hard, pushing, struggling, straining, reaching is never, ever going to give you a powerful voice. When you can hear what happens to my speech, when I push and struggle and reach, I am closing down this instrument. What singing with power requires is energy, a free flow of energy. And before you can have that energy, you need a technique that will open the body and sustain it open so your brilliant musical instrument can do its thing, can just function naturally. So I'm going to teach you how to open this instrument so that it will serve your power singing. Now, we're going to consider your vocal instrument from the top of your head to your bottom, down there. And what we're going to do is release the jaw and feel as though you're opening the whole thing all the way to your bottom. What you're doing by opening is to access the powerful abdominal, back, and core muscles that then support that release of energy. They don't push it, shove it, or make it go out. They are there to support the process, to keep this brilliant instrument, your brilliant instrument, open. I'm going to demonstrate. So I'm going to get that opening inhale, and that's all. I'm going to get that, and I'm going to say what I need to say here. Baby, it's time, so I waste it in chatter. Let's settle the matter. Now that's powerful, but it's easy. It's really simple and easy to do because I have the technique. I have that opening inhale, and then I have all the technique that allows me to sustain the body open and to keep it free. For you, drop the jaw and open all the way to your bottom. See if you can sustain that open and see what it does for your singing. Now, a powerful voice is a free voice. By going to my website, singlikeyouSpeak.com, which is the contemporary vocal technique I developed, singlikeyouSpeak.com, you can get an entire program on singing with freedom, and it's absolutely free. So I really encourage you to go grab that for yourself and begin this amazing journey of singing with freedom. Baby, it's time, so I waste it in chatter. SinglikeyouSpeak.com. I'll see you there.